Good morning, students. We are going to discuss the rest part of the English grammar chapter, determiners exercise. Yesterday, we discussed open page number 46. 46 page, question number ABC. Yesterday we discussed. Now today D number. Rewrite the following sentences with indefinite articles where necessary. Question says that we have to use indefinite articles, means a and. We don't have to use the is called definite, a and is called indefinite article. So only a and the will not be used. We have to insert, put articles in the middle of the sentence. I speak the answer. You all listen carefully. First number answer. Does anyone have a pen? They could lend me. Does anyone have a pen? They could lend me. Second number. I'd like to hire a car for a week. I'd like to hire a car for a week. Third number. My sister lent me a raincoat and an umbrella. My sister lent me a raincoat and an umbrella. Fourth number. I bought milk, cheese, a melon and an onion. I bought milk, cheese, a melon and an onion. Five number. You will need scissors, an eraser, a pencil, a ruler and paper. Paper is uncountable, so an not used. You will need scissors, an eraser, a pencil, a ruler and paper. Scissors also plural, so a scissors wrong. Before scissors also article not used. Sixth number. Take a plate and help yourself to food. Take a plate and help yourself to food. Seventh number. I borrowed a lawnmower from neighbor. I borrowed a lawnmower from neighbor. Eighth number. We need bread. Bread is uncountable, so a not used. We need bread. Could you buy a loaf? But before loaf, article used, a loaf. Nine number. Miss Foster has written a book about grammar. Miss Foster has written a book about grammar. 10 number. I couldn't find a chair, so I sat on a cushion. I couldn't find a chair, so I sat on a cushion. In number. Rewrite the sentences after inserting definite or indefinite articles where necessary. Now we have to use both definite and indefinite articles. Means a and is indefinite, the is definite. Both, all the three articles a and the, all we have to use. First number I speak. The sun. Before heavenly bodies, the article used. The sun was shining, so we did not go for a walk. For a walk. Remember, for a walk. The sun was shining, so we did not go for a walk. Second number, there's a telephone in every room at the hotel. There's a telephone in every room at the hotel. About different hotel we are talking, so the hotel. Third number, let me look at the map. Is there a road that turns left? Let me look at the map. Is there a road that turns left? Fourth number, I am going to look for an apartment in the city. I am going to look for an apartment in the city. Five number, an oven. An oven needs a wash. An oven needs a wash. Six number, switch off the light when you leave the room. Switch off the light when you leave the room. Seven number, I ate lunch sitting on a bench in the park. I ate lunch sitting on a bench in the park. Eight number, I put money for the maid on the table. I put money for the maid on the table. Nine number, I saw Priya taking exercise in a gym. I saw Priya taking exercise in a gym. We can also use the gym. If you know about the gym, definite gym, then the both are possible. 10 number, we went into a shop to shelter from the rain. We went into a shop to shelter from the rain. F number, rewrite the following passage with articles in suitable places. Underline the articles in your answer. Oh, same question. Again, we have to use articles and the. Listen carefully. Last night, the moon was shining on water, so we decided to take a stroll. A stroll means walk. A stroll around the lake. As we walked along the path that goes along an edge. Rajan said, listen, is that a nightingale? Is that a nightingale? Nightingales are rare in some parts of the world. So we listen carefully to the song. Notes were clear and sweet, but we couldn't be certain that they were those of a nightingale. Further along the path, we heard a croaking noise. Is that a frog or a toad? Toad is also a kind of frog. Asked Amar, sounds like a toad, said Rajan. Very close to us. And indeed, in front of us, in the middle of the path, was the toad. Talking second time, repeated, so definite it has become the toad. The toad we had heard, sitting on a stone. Now rewrite inserting and the, some, or any where needed. Now we have to use and the articles and also some needed. First number, Jane worked temporarily as a waitress before getting a permanent job. a permanent job. Second number, do have an apple. An apple. There are some apples in that ball, and the apples are so good for you. Third number, this is a delicious soup. A delicious soup. What that kind is it? What definite kind of we are talking? So definite article. What that kind is it? Fourth number, why are you wearing a dirty shirt? A dirty shirt. Haven't you some clean clothes? Some clean clothes. Five number, I stayed for a week with a friend in Kochi. Six number, I haven't anything to wear for a party. Seven number, I don't have any real friends. Before negative, any used. 6, 7 also negative sentence, so any will be used. I don't have any real friends. Savita is the only person I trust. 8 number, how did people get about before the wheel was invented? The wheel. 9 number, how are extra blankets? Why should be here? Why are extra blankets in the case? Case means box. In the case. Heating doesn't work. 10 number, the radio. The radio issued a warning of severe storms in the next few days. 11, I bet the lady in red sari is a teacher. 12, I made some delicious biscuits and they are ready to put in an oven. So students, chapter finish. That's all. Thank you.